Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing audio you can legally use, Creative Commons, royalty-free libraries, or a paid license. Once found, read the license so you know if commercial use or attribution is required. Make sure to download the original master file and save proof of the license, screenshot, or PDF, because claims later often hinge on that evidence. If the track requires attribution, prepare the exact credit line now so you can paste it into the video description when you upload. Next, you edit and integrate the audio into your edit timeline. Trim and fade the track so it complements dialogue, and normalize levels to avoid clipping or drowning speech. Once done, export stems if you might swap or mute music during review. Also embed metadata, artist, license type, and any required attribution text in the file tags. These steps reduce false claims and make dispute responses faster because you can point to exact timestamps and file details. Finally, upload and add the exact attribution and license language into the description before publishing. Make sure privacy settings and monetization choices match the license terms. Keep all receipts and license screenshots accessible for at least 90 days because claims often arrive later. If a content ID or copyright claim appears, file a dispute immediately and attach your license proof, timestamps, and metadata. If that fails, escalate with a manual claim review. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.